videoing me already? You know, I always whistle when I work, you know that? We're gonna put shutters in that pharmacy here directly. We don't have the best drivers down here in South Carolina, by the way. I mean, me, different story. So this was the old golf course called Robber's Roost, and put houses galore. So this is Graybill here, not even on MapQuest yet. Just did this house right here on the left, 1074. Plantation shutters. Getting ready to install that one this next week. This is the last phase of this neighborhood. Missed that one somehow, but got this one. Happy homeowner. I'm glad that I was just glad that we got them in on when you wanted them. Hey, thanks for your business. See ya. It's got another one we're measuring somewhere right here. In fact, I need to measure it today, but we're not going to. Okay, so Jolly Roger here. We did this one. Did that one. This one, that one. That one. This one. That one. Sort of makes me chuckle. That one. Missed that one. Not ready. We did this one. Missed that one. And we did this one. I did that green one. I did that house right there. Did this house right here. This gray house here. That house there. That house there. And the blue house right here. Oh, and that house too. Blinds in that house right there. That's it. Well, there's a couple right here. We just put outdoor patio shades right. Those shades right there are ours. Ooh, that was in last week. I thought you'd take this heat back with you. Take it back to Virginia. We're just out messing around. We did a little work today. Oh yeah. Dude, is that one of your neighbors? Y'all be good. I know this whole neighborhood. Like I said, everybody down here is like your friend.